When and how do I use the long or short rail? Depending on the height of the room, as well as the customer's height, a suitable shower system needs to be installed. For this purpose, a 15 cm shorter and a 15 cm longer shower rail are available for many GROHE shower systems, in addition to the one supplied. These can be found in accessories. Before installation, the corresponding shower rail should be selected with the customer to prevent unnecessary drill holes. All versions of the shower rail are installed in the same way.